Today we will see question number 9 and 10. See question number 9. Area of a sector of a circle is 1/6 time of the area of the circle. Find the angle subtended at the center by the given sector. Area of sector is 1/6 time of the area of circle. We have to find the angle which is formed at the center of a circle. How to find? Now see. That is question number 9. We have to take, we don't know, we have to take, let the radius of circle be r and angle also we don't know, subtend at the center be theta. As we know, this is a sector, this is the angle, and this is radius. We don't know radius, we have taken it r. We don't know the angle, we have taken it theta. Now we know what it is. Area of the sector is 1/6 the area of circle. What is the area of sector formula? The area of sector formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square equal 1/6 into area of circle is pi r square. Both the radius are same. Cancel it, both the radius, cancel both the pi, then what is left? Theta upon 360 equal 1/6. Transpose this 360 towards 1. That you can write theta equal 360 upon 6. Cancel with the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Then 0 is left. Then what it is? Theta equals 60 degree. What was the question to find? Find the angle subtended at the center by the given sector. Find the angle. The angle is 60 degree at the center. Is it clear? Now the next question. Area of a sector is 1540 square centimeter. It subtends an angle of 50 degree at the center of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. We have to find the radius. What it is given? Area of sector. What it is given? Whatever it is given, we have to write. Area of sector. How much it is? 1540 centimeters square. What is the angle given? Theta. How much it is given? 50 degree. We have to find radius. So, what is the formula of area of sector? Area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now, what is the area of sector? It is 1540 equal theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now, we will put the value of theta also. 1540 equal, what is theta? Theta is given 50 degree. Theta is given 50 degree. 50 upon 360 into the value of pi is 22/7. We have to find the value of r. Let the r be r square itself. Now cancel this 0 and 0. Now whatever it is left, you cross multiply. 1540 cross multiply with 36 into 7 whole upon 5 into 22 equal r square. Is it clear? Now you cancel with the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Then 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now you cancel 1540 with 5. If you cancel 1540 with 5, 5 3s are 15. Take down 4 as it is. With the table of 5 it won't come, so 5 zeros are 0, 4 minus 0, that is 4. Then again take down 0. 5 8s are 40. What it is? 308. Cancel with the 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 308s are. Now what is left with you? That is 11 is also there. 11 I have not cut. That is 308 into 18 into 7 upon 11 equal r square. Now 308 divide with 11. If you divide 308 with 11, 11 2s are 22. 30 minus 22, that is 8. Then take down this 8. 11 8s are 88. That is 28. 11 1s are 11. 11 28s are. That is 28 into 18 into 7 equal r square. Now we will find the factor of 28. We know it is factor of 7 into 4, 28. 18 we know 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18 into 7. Now we will make a pair. 4 we can write it 2 into 2. Then this 2, 3, 3 into 3. Then 7, 7 into 7. Then what is left? This 2 is left. We will write 2 at the last. Now we will make a r equal square root. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 2. Now we will make a pair. 1 2, 1 3, 1 7. This 2 is not in a pair. So this 2 will be in the square root. What is coming out from the square root? That is 2 into 3 into 7. That is 2, 3 is 6, 6 7s are 42 root 2. R is 42 root 2 centimeter. What is the radius of the circle? Radius of circle is 42 root 2.